Step into the realm of Liquid IQ, the groundbreaking masterpiece and latest addition to Tela Beauty Organics, artfully and scientifically created by master product artist Philip Pelusi. Tela Beauty Organics by Philip Pelusi Liquid IQ marks a new groundbreaking chapter in his lifetime of pioneering and expertly creating hundreds of revolutionary hair care formulas, defining his legacy as an internationally renowned product innovator. It's a revelation, a liquid intelligence. Two products emerge from the realm of Tela Liquid IQ. The in-salon only Tela Liquid IQ Smart Bond Pro Treatment and its at-home use partner product Tela Liquid IQ Smart Bond Elixir. If you've been performing the Tela Liquid IQ Smart Bond Pro Treatment in the salon over the past few months, then you are well aware of the tremendous effects this product has on the hair. This service has proven to be a huge success, loved by Philip Pelusi designers and guests alike. Tela Liquid IQ Smart Bond Pro Treatment is an in-salon only service product. This groundbreaking treatment is designed for instant and effortless use by professionals only. This service can be performed with each salon visit. The in-salon Tela Liquid IQ Smart Bond Pro Treatment is fragrance-free and has a heightened potency and increased concentration of about 5 times more effective than Tela Liquid IQ Smart Bond Elixir. This retail formulation was purposefully created to maintain results in between your guests' in-salon Tela Liquid IQ Pro treatments. Tela Liquid IQ Smart Bond Elixir differs than the Pro treatment in that it is intentionally designed to have a consumer-friendly, lower potency level. Plus, it contains the signature Tela Peppermint fragrance. This effective ingredient is great for calming the scalp as well as the senses. Something special you will notice immediately with both the in-salon and at-home Liquid IQ products is that both formulas are packaged uniquely in glass bottles. Glass packaging preserves the integrity of these products and their complex ingredients. This means the formula inside stays 100% potent and effective until the last drop. Now remember, not every hair care formula or ingredient requires glass packaging. Actually, most products don't. In fact, in a plastic bottle, the IQ formula would stay good for about a year. But the nature of Liquid IQ's ingredients, by definition, are so distinct and delicately blended that Philip stipulated glass packaging as part of his overall product formula requirements. His reasons? To preserve the potency of these totally unique complex ingredients. Glass bottles are odorless and non-porous, and as a result, considered foolproof packaging. To make an analogy, this is why most wine is almost always exclusively packaged in glass bottles. Glass preserves the wine's quality, taste, and longevity. Glass bottles are more expensive, but when needed, are well worth it. Tela Liquid IQ is a hair restructure marvel that skillfully transforms each hair strand through a deep renewal process, unveiling revitalized, stronger, healthier hair. Hairstyles more easily and last longer, so you can see how Tela Liquid IQ elevates the overall quality of the hair, but also the value of your hair artistry. Tela Liquid IQ's advanced technology is a masterpiece. It works from inside the hair fiber, mending and strengthening damaged spots caused by color, chemicals, heat, and other hair stressors. You can see on this graph the correlation between the damage caused by color and chemicals and the diminished strength of the hair. Tela Liquid IQ's dynamic technology adapts and delivers its comprehensive repair process to all hair types and textures. It helps create strong and healthy fibrous structures, enhancing the strength and resilience of each individual's hair needs. Liquid IQ restores hair to brilliantly rebuilt strands that exude health, strength, and radiant shine. Tela Liquid IQ contains a powerhouse fusion of rejuvenating, strengthening microemulsions. These help repair damage, mend broken or weak spots, while reducing the impact of color and chemical treatments, heat styling, and environmental stressors, making each strand stronger. These long-lasting effects contribute to the overall health and longevity of the hair, with sustained improvement in shine, texture, and appearance. As you can see on this chart, hair previously damaged by perms or color now, after treatment, have elevated rates of strength ranging as high as non-chemically exposed hair. Tela Liquid IQ reinforces the internal bond structure within the cortex, resulting in improved strength and elasticity that is more resilient and less prone to breakage. Take a look at these microscopic images before and after hair has been treated with Tela Liquid IQ. On the left, the improved exterior of the hair after treatment, and on the right, the improved internal integrity of the hair after treatment. Tela Liquid IQ uniquely creates a weightless protective barrier around the hair cuticle, making your hair more resistant to future damage and helping shield hair from UV rays and pollution. The proprietary Tela Matrix blend is comprised of natural wonders Matricaria, asafoetida, sage, horseradish, and blackberry. These serve as antioxidants, ultraviolet ray filters, strengthening proteins, and weightless moisturizers, all helping protect the scalp and hair color and strength against harmful conditions. The proprietary Tela Beauty Organics Restoring and Regenerating Blends are infused with antioxidants, anti-irritants, and nourishing superfruits, including reishi mushroom, horsetail, burdock, and pomegranate. These fortify and help protect your hair and scalp for optimal performance. Apply Liquid IQ Smart Bond Pro treatment as an add-on service after a color service, a final step to the Life Force Root to End recovery treatment, as a pre-cut ritual, and to blowout and heat style services. Apply root to end to clean damp hair. Comb evenly through the hair. Layer on your recommended Tela or P2 products. All are compatible. And it's super simple to instruct your guests on how to apply the Tela Liquid IQ Smart Bond Elixir when at home. Simply start with clean, conditioned, damp hair. Apply the proper amount as listed here. It's highly recommended to apply a small amount of Tela Color Lock Plus right on top of the application of Tela Liquid IQ, both as leave-ins. Then layer any Tela or P2 styling products depending on the texture. Style as desired. Instruct your guests to follow this simple process at home, approximately 1 to 3 times a week maximum, depending on the frequency they shampoo. This helps maintain the results you create with the in-salon treatment. Please take a prescriptive approach based on your guest's feedback and what you observe in the hair. Then, based on that, prescribe how much, how often, and what the guest should layer on top when they style their hair at home. Continue to recommend the in-salon pro treatment, as that is the foundation to the Liquid IQ system.